Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's November 18th, Monday morning, and corn market under some pressure here this morning, down about 4 cents, and soybeans, wheat steady to higher as we speak. The focus on the corn market this morning, we believe, is probably the EPA announcement made on Friday. Initially, it was looked at as, oh, well, it's neutral. It was what the trade was expecting. But I think as people thought about it over the weekend, realized that it could have an impact on corn prices, or basically the problem is we don't have any bullish news circulating this morning to help support the corn market. As we talk about the EPA announcement, they are going to reduce the mandate. However, they've got a 60-day comment period, and then the EPA will give their final decision sometime in the spring. So when you look at its impact on the 2013 marketing year, very little of an impact there. And also processors are saying it doesn't matter if they change the mandate at all. We are going to continue to process as much as possible, especially when the profitability and the crush margins are as profitable as they are today. The other factors, I think, affecting the markets here today is the CFTC's commitment of traders on Friday. They showed that the funds had increased their long positions, which gave them a less of a net short position in corn, and also they increased their short positions in wheat. So some adjusting there because of that news. Weather conditions here in the U.S. We had extreme weather conditions over the weekend through a lot of Illinois, with some very severe tornadoes that are impacting a lot of people, and can impact some of the farmland. But I think most of the crops were harvested already through that area. We do have USDA's harvest acreage results coming out this afternoon. Expecting progress there to be 90+% done on corn and 96+% on soybeans. So virtually done harvest as many traders look at those numbers. Weather conditions in South America are favorable. Continuing to see some good rain coverage. Brazil's expecting some coverage up to as much as 80% of their growing area this coming week. So looks like the crops down there are getting off to a good start. Planting progress is moving along much like normal. So it looks like the crops there are doing well. We have to remind ourselves we do have a long growing season, and weather conditions are going to be a factor, so we will be monitoring that as we go forward. The livestock trade, cattle were higher on as they ended up last week in the cash cattle market. We were traded 132 in the south on a few head of cattle. Cutout values, however, on Friday were down sharply. Choice down 140. Select was down 8 cents. Pork cutout values are down $2 on Friday. Pork weights continue to be high. That's offsetting any loss of slaughter numbers that we might have seen because of the PED. Another big problem that the meat, both beef and pork, have over the next couple of weeks is the demand and the retail counter space that will be changed over to turkey. So the beef and pork processors are struggling here to pay up for live animals as they go forward here until we can get through the the Thanksgiving holiday. So we'll be monitoring that very closely. A lot of reasons to stay in touch with Allendale's research. You can reach us at 800-262-7538. We wish everybody a very successful trading day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.